These fashion snaps or poppers are really ideal for replacing buttons on lightweight fabrics. They have coloured heads and there's a choice of different colours, and you put them in with a really handy tool, a press snap tool. 4 parts, so you separate your parts when you open your pack, and they come in these really handy resealable packs. So snap the back and then you can just open it up nice and easily, and the instructions for use are on the back as well. You can apply these with 2 different tools, the press snap tool, which is quite a simple tool to use, or this one. Both of them need a hammer, but this tool here, you encase all the units in here, and then when you whap it with the hammer, your hands are nicely away. So firstly, take your piece of fabric. Here's the popper top. So I'm going to start with that down, and with the fabric right side down, pop it on and pull it so that the prongs pierce through the fabric. And then I can place that in the tool. So it's got a dish on one part, pop that onto the dish, and then I put the male half so that the deep groove is facing down to the prongs. Shut it up, and then I hit it with a hammer. Open it up, and that's that half done. So now I have to do the other half, so turn that round. Again, prongs going, obviously if you're doing this on a garment you will mark and measure the position carefully. So push it down so that the prongs are sticking through the fabric. Place it into the groove of the tool, and then place the other half of the popper on top. Shut the tool down. Open up the tool, and my popper is done. But let me just show you how to use the other tool, which I also like. So again, I get my 4 pieces ready. So that's the 4 pieces I need. Just put them to one side. And then using this tool, I will take the fabric, place the fabric again right side down, and I can actually use the centre of this tool to push between the prongs there, and the prongs come up nice and easily. Pop on the male groove side down so that the prongs are into the groove, and then you'll see on this end there's a little inset here. Put that on top, hold it in place. That's one half done, and then we do exactly the same with the other half. Pop it down, narrow end of the tool just to help those prongs come through. Place the top on, and again making sure you use the end with the groove. Position it on top and bang it into place. One popper done. So it's really easy, and these work really well on knitwear fabric and also on babies' clothing. You can also apply these fashion snaps with the pliers, this handy pliers and eyelet tool. There's another video to see how to do that.